What if you were a pageant girl that talked about Miatas?
My favorite interest is cars. I think even a girl can get down with one of the boys. Ooh.
Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, it has been a fat minute since we have done an unboxing video here at Storm Garage. Just like we said in our last video that we were going to do next, we finally got it. They sent us one, so a huge shout out for sending us this to unbox. So I'm going to take our little Cuddy McCutterson tool here. So we're going to slit into it. There goes my hand.
Oh my god, really?
No, I'm just kidding. Bunch of stuff here. It's a bunch of green. There's some green in there. So this is not a good thing to have when we have a green screen.
So
first,
we have a brush.
an invisible brush.
An invisible
No.
Here, hold it in front of one of us. It's not gonna do anything.
There's a hole in my heart.
But this is a brush. What is it? What would you use that for?
This is what's called a wheel brush. Oh, this one says body brush. Normally when you see something like this, it's a wheel brush for cleaning up your wheels without scratching it.
And then we have this note, which is explaining what's in this box. Arnold's Super Soft Fender and Wheel Brush.
Yes, so it is a fender and wheel brush. Okay, so that's what it is. Next thing here is called the Toolbox Widget, the modular tool organizing system. This actually might be extremely handy for on the side of my toolbox. I'm not sure how. Oh, they're all modular. You can clip them onto different things because they all have magnets on them. That's pretty cool. So our next thing here is the Jax Wax HD Wheel and Tire Cleaner. It comes with this, which I'm assuming this is what supposed to go on there. The Jax HD Wheel and Tire Cleaner. Smells clean. Let's see if this thing screws on here. Kind of screws on. Oh! Better check yourself. So that's that. Our next thing here is an air freshener, and I really hope this smells better than the tuner crate one. Oh, that's so much better. #1 air freshener from the boxes so far. For sure.
Yeah,
Much better.
that one.
For your lifetime warranty within 90 days of purchase, you got to register your product on freaking toolboxwidget.com. We got a pen. You can never have too many pens. It's a nice green pen so you can see right through it, and then my eye socket's gone. Oh, we got a sucker. Danny, we got to split the sucker. I'm just kidding, you can have it.
Yay.
Bottom of the box, because we're going to save the best for last, we have a Petrolbox subscribers ride of the month, Travis Brown, with his big old newly furred truck. People know we don't really like birds here that much, but square bodies, you gotta love square bodies. And then we have a renowned something race car sticker with green on it, as you can tell. We have this heckin' t-shirt to observe. So bam! Oh, that's actually alright. So that's the front of it. Just says Petrolbox on it. This is really comfy. And then this is the back of this shirt. Ooh, yeah. Look at that. That is nice. 2016 Petrolbox Drive More. So I'm assuming that is the year that Petrolbox was established in. Very cool t-shirt. Anything else that we have in the box? Invisible. Thank you very much, Petrolbox, for sending us all those super awesome things. I'm definitely going to use the wheel and tire brush and the wheel and tire cleaner. I am excited to actually use that on the Joker Miata. If you don't know what the Joker Miata is, go heck and check out the rest of the channel, because we got an awesome build going on for a 91 Miata that is a track street build and soon to be some sort of power additive, but I don't want to reveal what it is, but it does go hand in hand with the Joker theme, so just make sure you stick along for that one. We're gonna have some more unboxing videos coming up here. We hope to get some gearbox and glove box unboxings. I think that's about it for this unboxing episode. Do you have anything to say before we sign off, Danny?
Thanks for watching.
Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Peace.